Naalala niyo pa ba yung first runner-up ni Rabia during the Miss Universe Philippines 2020? Yes, ang sopistikada, elegante at very fierce na si Bella Ismael.
She's the woman who inspires love and productivity and somebody being authentic.
Known as the ballerina beauty queen na pamangkin ni Miss Universe 1973 Margie Moran. And now she's back. She's making her highly anticipated comeback. Natapos nga ang kanyang first runner-up placement noong 2020 na halos nakipag-head-to-head talaga siya sa corona.
Isabella Rojas Ismael, Taguig City!
After her 6-year hiatus, now ire-representa naman niya ang probinsyudad ng Taguig. At ini-aim na nga niya na matapos na kung ano man ang nasimulan niya during the pandemic era. Pero hep, wait lang dahil kani-kanina lang, ipinakilala naman ng probinsya ng Cebu ang kanilang dalawang alas at isa na nga dito ang Binibining Pilipinas 2022 at Miss International third runner-up kasi Nicole Borromeo. And this time, she will represent again the province of Cebu pero sa Miss Universe Philippines stage na. At ngayon pa nga lang tinatag na siya as one of the powerhouse candidates for this year's edition. Akala nga ng karamihan sa Miss World siya tutungo pero biglang liko nga. Dahil kagaya nga rin ni Bella, she's now making her highly anticipated comeback after 2023. Dalawang reyna, iisang corona. Two of the biggest name officially introduced for the Miss Universe Philippines 2026 season. Kaya mga pageant fanays, kanino ka tataya this year? Sa pa-fierce or sa pa-sweet? Comment below.